Okay guys, I know the series has been a little bit, bumpy so far, but we finally got the truck moved into the shop and we're gonna get the bed and the cab off today. So stay tuned and follow along. It's finally time to start tearing into everything else. We have the whole engine and transmission out, and now it's time to start playing around with getting the frame ready, and we have a lot planned for this truck. The cool thing about these trucks is they're fairly simple to take apart though. It's just the going back together that's going to be a lot of work for this one. We're about to take the bed off. It's fairly simple to get a bed off of these trucks. You need to make sure that your fuel neck is undone, taillights and electrical is all unhooked, and we are going to attempt to pick it up from the middle of those straps, and we're kind of hooked under the stake pockets right now. There's not a great way to pull this off without a lift, but 4 people could pull this off pretty easily because honestly, I can lift up a corner and it's really not that heavy. These beds have 8 bolts and they come off pretty dang easy. Sketchy, but we made it. So we're gonna take the cab off, but we want a little cart that we can push it around on, so we're gonna use this kind of heavier duty pallet and these big casters that I got from Harbor Freight so that we can move it around because we don't have a solid plan for what we're doing for that yet. So I just cut these 2x4s so that we can bolt the casters down evenly. We're probably just going to use lag bolts and then we'll nail this in. So we just got everything unhooked that was attaching the cab, or attached to the cab. So it is pretty much ready to pull off. I think we're gonna hook some power up to it, roll the windows down, and run some straps under and lift from the top. So hopefully that goes as planned. We'll have to watch and make sure that it's not gonna ruin these drip rails. Try to go up a little more. The cab's trying to go like this though.
Just push on it a little bit. Yeah.
It's gonna twist.
So what do you want me to do? Come back.
That's good.
Okay, I'm gonna start backing up. I'm not gonna hit the ceiling, right?
No. Okay, wait.
I can come back to you a little.
Harbor Freight for the lose. Cause what? Hopefully I can put some air in it and it will stay. I'm gonna work on getting this firewall cleaned up and tearing this wiring harness all apart so that we can slowly start to decide if it is salvageable and if we can just kind of go through it and kind of remake it, I guess.
Alright, so we're going to be dissecting this wiring harness and trying to clean it up so we can rewire it. This is my professional wiring. If you know, you know.
So we labeled everything that we could for sure label, and then we're just gonna kind of keep it in this bin until we're ready to rewire it. And we got rid of anything that we didn't need so that when we're ready to go through, we can just strip the whole thing and start from one end to the other, just cleaning it up, fixing everything. There's a lot of splices in this harness, so good. We got it, guys.
Say